osweromo. Now very left way and my bene. Me no papa no standing when I cause a morning. And you happy where any enemy. You don't know to blame with Bob with him. You know we you understand me and also now was an added major. So my say them I cannot get me off for me. And I don't have my women away, getting out women away. I drove the tiny narrow. The town Laro Yans, one away, that's a Maro Yan when he lay out here, probably wrong. I want not to go buy the ticket. Then it might be just to do I go and I do I say, we used to allow, even do not with we had to come back to when I went Maro. You go now with marriage, do I with my last sponsor, where they were so fun with the home warrior. The man went with him, I go where you try, he said to as the Bobby, not be quick that to my body, my go here now home.
Now, madam, if Nanan were why you know where Tamanana itohan Douglas. Okoni uwe yaga uwe uwe leli me ari Spain. We are set to imime ne agwimime gwa, which imime igwimime gwa. In my way, you were having another plan. Exactly the plan we have October where you know where the recording up. That why is Spain, why gwiji mime gwane, or a wako yone wawoda from why mwigo ladian, why are we marriage? Nima. And you know I have a wife at home. And I'm legal marriage with a wife at home, or I'm legal married with a wife at home. At the same time, you were planning other marriage waiting for me in Spain. Madam, okpieva homuwea. Madam, okpieva homuwea. Madam, okpieva ori where you were. Then we wanna force me, wanna plan we came ni me amo huivae. Madam, you didn't came to my life with a good plan. You came to destroy my life and you came to destroy my life enemy, the enemy of my life, not me. Okay, according to your word here.
I just do it, but you know we probably error. So far, no only matter, you know, we put away our new money. Now, whatever you go keep on really spending it, and assist when.
Madam, even we have a video. Where you have for someone you know, turn away, it's me who don't way. Ijeme. He say them makine. Unlo wo we even nagbatani or even ni. Only na we okay or ma when we are going to record now. But that female with the bid you have to wear in here where ye do atama we ijeme nije after we are tam one way we are jerry. So we are jerry no we do tell that from when do tam that female we jerry then we even nagbata ati evenia
at all.
Umado joda for me. But that female with the baby actually we are in here we jerry nije. La wo do sumi ahia si so wa kwegwe ni maade do sumi ahia bege ezo gwi mata wo pa gwezo na ya bonye bu we no se o aje video wo gwezo na wo be hansa we agbere dian o gbere dian madam aga vice we maga ro gwa de we pe record na tetinya ga ro wa
no pe record na
I too I helping you. Or when you help me, or we are Joe getting handling me go more. Take the ticket in your yen, not I tell ya. Why go here? Why go here? Where they worry.
I never said so. All these are lies.
You know, because a room or swear more. I really like for way and I am not bene. You know, Papa not standing when I cause a morning. Happy where any enemy.
Imagine. Or when you're begging any life in you, you're begging me up, but not balancing me. I am a man who have a wife at home. I am a man in the same with my wife. I have child with the children we have. I am a man. As president, we have 2 cars in our compound in Western world. I have a foundation in Nigeria. I have my personal house. I have a document in abroad. This same woman said, I have my house. My wife also have her whole house. And this woman said she not see anything way better for me for life. I don't know what this woman and her husband have that I, Mr. Ajebo, does not have in this lovely world. So, Nikuna de listen, my people.
Don't want to blame with Bob with him. You know, we say, you understand me, and also, now what's another major. So my you say them can not now get me off of it. And I don't have my women away, getting out women away, I do the tiny narrow. The town Laro Yan, you know where this and Maro Yan when he lay out here, probably row. I want to go and buy a ticket. Then he might be used to it, do I go and I do I tell you, we used to allow, even do not with we have to come back to why not with Maro. You go now with marriage, do I with my last sponsor, where they were so the home warrior.
Billionaire.
The man with his hair, my go where he tried, he settled, and the Bobby.
One quick plan, one settle him out, or where I go radio near.
And the Boma give me a hand, where the young we conjure.
Madam, where I go in where you know where confessing now where EGV mega kwe umuyo la diani maya we marriage. When I we marry you wame we marriage with Ohoni Magbarowa. Single mother gurowa. Madam, ute to destroy him in life. I'm happy that you are confessing, and I know more confession will still come. Okay? Thank you very much, everybody. Share this video. You want to add to it?
You know this woman called you in this house and told you about his husband, that she was in Nigeria, that his husband was having one girlfriend, whether Oyibo girlfriend or that, I don't know.
I will come.
She was saying what the husband did to him, to her.
Did to her. She's going to do it back to her husband. I will come and say that. I will come and say that the day I will talk the story about T-shirt. Don't worry. Thank you very much, everybody. More video is loaded.